How to fill long text line in cell in Excel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the server method that you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel file, and we can see I have one line here, text line here, which is not fit in sales. It is continuous to other sales, so it show like. So I will show you how you can wrap it or how you can make it fit in sale. So just select that sale, and under the home tab here you can see the option called wrap. You can click on it, then the cell, the text will be fit in this cell. Okay, so there is another process. If you want to put if you want to break this line from particular word, then you can do this. Just select the cell again. Okay, keep the cursor, double click on into cell, then it will be editable. Now just click the that word, that word from you want to break it. Okay, just keep the cursor at the start of that word and just hit the control alt sorry hit the alt plus enter. Then this line will be break. Now hit the enter. Now you can see that all text has been wrap fit on this cell only. So next method is just select that cell again, just right click on it, go to format cell, come to the alignment, click the wrap text and click OK. Then this text will be wrapped like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.